The flooring industry in North America has a total addressable market exceeding $70 billion. That's right, $70 billion. The market is served by over 10,000 mostly small retailers and hundreds of thousands of independent contractors. It's a highly fragmented industry with lots of opportunities for growth. In strong markets or soft, flooring is a really dependable industry. It's both a required building material and a primary decor material that customers often purchase for both renovation and decorative projects. That's where BuildDirect comes in. We are a growing omni-channel provider of products and services for the professional flooring customer throughout North America. To date, we built a trailing 12-month revenue base of over $80 million and delivered 6 consecutive quarters of positive adjusted EBITDA results, providing a large base for sustainable growth. What does BuildDirect do? First, we source products directly from manufacturers throughout the world. Next, our products are shipped to our brick-and-mortar locations. We call our Pro Centers in the US and Canada. From there, our Pro Centers sell products and supporting services to local professional customers. What's a professional customer, you might ask? Simple, general contractors, commercial developers, property investors, and flooring contractors are amongst our most common repeat customers. Professional customers serve all segments of the building and remodeling industries. Next, we have an established e-commerce site at BuildDirect.com that helps pros place and manage their orders. Homeowners who want to shop like a pro and buy new flooring at wholesale for their home projects can also make their purchase on BuildDirect.com. How we do it better than anyone. Everything from our product assortment, Pro Centers, inventory quantities, shipping network, expert customer service team, and digital services are all geared toward the professional customer and homeowners who want to shop like a pro. By focusing on what we do best, we provide an exceptional service to our customers. What we're building. Our vision is simple. Become the leading provider for flooring products and services for the pro customer in North America. To get there, we'll leverage our omni-channel approach, organically growing our e-commerce revenue, and continuing to pursue opportunities for new Pro Center locations across the US and Canada. Follow our story. Subscribe to our investor relations updates by emailing ir@builddirect.com. Check us out on the TSXV with the ticker symbol BILD.V or BILD:CA if you're located outside Canada. Also, send a LinkedIn connection request to our CEO, Sean Wilson, to hear about all we are up to.